Smart 1 HB. Printer head. Cupping. Head cleaning. Nozzle test. ABR. Dito naman ang ink tank at ink system. Waste stock. Dito naman ang unused supplies. Dito naman ang stocks at unused ink. Sable roll. Consumable. Ang na-consume po namin 1.55 ay 4 at isang magenta. Naka 492 meters naman kami na run last week. Printer daily checklist.